Hi everyone, welcome to Competitive Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss 10 MCQ from the chapter Capsules, Subject Pharmaceutics. First question, the largest size number of capsule is option A, 000, option B, 0, option C, 1, option D, 5. So largest capsule number size is 000 and the smallest size is number 5. Next question. The moisture content of hard gelatin capsule. Option A 1 to 2%, option B 13 to 16%, option C 18 to 21%, option D 11 to 14%. The correct choice is B 13 to 16%. Hard gelatin capsule are hygroscopic and contain a higher water content than soft capsules at around 13 to 16 degree, 16%. Next question. Gelatin derived from acid-treated precursor is option A type A, option B type B, option C type C, and option D type D. So correct answer is option A type A. So gelatin is produced from partial hydrolysis of collagen derived from skin, white connective tissue, and bonds of animal. Gelatin derived from acid-treated precursor is known as type A, and gelatin derived from alkali-treated precursor is known as type B. So you can simply know that acid treated is known as A, and base derived alkali we can able to consider as base. Okay, base is B. So B acid treated is known as A. So when base is treated or alkali is treated, it can be type B, and acid is treated is type A. You can simply learn by this concept. Base is B and acid is A. Next question. Shell of soft gelatin capsule are made elastic by the addition of option A sorbitol, option B glycerin, option C lactose, option D both A and B. So soft gelatin capsules are made elastic by the addition of sorbitol and glycerin. The correct answer is both A and B. Option D is the right choice. Next question. In capsule filling, rotofill machine is used for filling. Option A is powder, option B pellets, option C solutions, option D all the above. So rotofill machine is used for filling pellets. So the right choice is option B. Next question. Ecogel machine is used to option A filling of dry powder in soft gelatin capsule, option B filling powder in hard gelatin capsule, option C for filling and de-dusting hard gelatin capsule, option D none of this. So the right choice is filling of dry powder in soft gelatin capsule. Ecogel used for filling of dry powder in soft gelatin capsule. Next question. Which of the following is a capsule filling machine? Option A, Osaka. Option B, Booster. Option C, Rotosol. Option D, Irvika. So the right answer is option A. Osaka is a capsule filling machine. Booster is for coating tablet. Rotosol for sorting. It is used for capsule sorting machine and for de-dusting capsules. Irvika for capsule de-dusting and polishing. Like Osaka, Sanasi is also a capsule filling machine. Next question. Osaka capsule filling equipment works on the principle of option A, Dossator principle, option B, vibratory principle, option C, auger filling principle, option D, piston tap principle. The right choice is B, vibratory principles. Next question. Disintegration time limit of hard gelatin capsule is option A 30 minutes, option B 60 minutes, option C 2 hours, and option D none of the above. So hard gelatin capsule disintegration time is 30 minutes and soft gelatin capsule is 60 minutes, whereas enteric-coated tablet capsules the disintegration time is 2 hours. So never get confused. Hard gelatin capsule, we will think that it have greater disintegration time than soft gelatin capsule, but the thing is not like that. Hard gelatin capsule need less time compared to soft gelatin capsule. So hard gelatin capsule need only 30 minutes, whereas soft gelatin capsule need 60 minutes for disintegration. Never get confused these things. Next question. The percentage weight variation of capsule when average weight is less than 300 mg. Option A 10 percentage, option B 7.5 percentage, option C 5 percentage, option D 2.5 percentage. So average weight when the capsule's average weight is less than 300 mg, the percentage variation of capsule is 10 percentage. When the average weight is 300 mg or more, then the percentage of weight variation is 7.5 percentage. So we have completed this 10 post MCQ from the chapter capsule. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.